A water garden can add a beautiful and serene element to any backyard or patio. Here are some steps to help you create your own water garden. Choose a location. Pick a spot in your yard that gets at least 6 hours of sunlight a day and has good drainage. Avoid low-lying areas that may flood during heavy rain. Determine the size and shape of your garden. Decide how big you want your water garden to be and what shape it should be. A circular shape is the most popular, but you can also choose a square or rectangular shape. Prep the area. Clear the area of any debris and dig out any grass or weeds. If the area is not level, use soil to create a level surface. Install a liner. Water gardens need a liner to hold the water. You can use a preformed pond liner or a flexible liner. Make sure the liner is large enough to cover the area you dug out, with extra to fold up the sides. Add a pump and filter. A pump and filter are essential to keep the water in your garden clean and clear. The pump will circulate the water, and the filter will remove any debris or algae. Plant aquatic plants. Aquatic plants are essential for a water garden. They not only add beauty, but also help to keep the water clean by absorbing excess nutrients. Some popular aquatic plants include water lilies, lotus, and cattails. Add fish and other aquatic animals. Fish and other aquatic animals can add an interesting element to your water garden. Some popular fish for water gardens include koi and goldfish. Maintain your water garden. Regular maintenance is essential for a healthy water garden. This includes cleaning the filter, testing the water for pH and chlorine levels, and removing any debris that may have accumulated. Creating a water garden can be a fun and rewarding project. With a little planning and care, you can enjoy the serene beauty of a water garden in your own backyard. Lighting. Adding lighting to your water garden can enhance the beauty of the garden at night. You can use submersible lights or install lighting around the perimeter of the garden. Waterfall or fountain. A waterfall or fountain can add a soothing and peaceful sound to your water garden. There are a variety of options available, from pre-made kits to custom-built designs. Edge treatment. The edge of your water garden can be treated with natural stone, bricks, or other materials to create a finished look. Safety. Water gardens can be a safety hazard, especially for children and pets. Make sure to install a secure cover if necessary, and supervise young children and pets when they are near the water garden. Consider the climate. Be sure to choose plants that are appropriate for your climate. Some aquatic plants may not survive in colder climates and may require special care and protection during the winter months. With these tips in mind, you can create a beautiful and peaceful water garden that will be a joy to admire and relax in. Remember to take the time to plan and design your water garden before you begin, and be sure to consult with a professional if you have any concerns or questions about the project.